Hello beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel.
Hope you guys enjoyed watching me cry over my foot. Let's fast forward this a little bit. Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Priya and today I will be doing this super neutral makeup tutorial using all drugstore products. I had never tried e.l.f. products before and I am absolutely loving it. I'm not sure why I was investing in so many other primers. I feel like I found my favorite one. This is the one which I'm loving it so far. It's called the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. And just look at my skin, guys. Like, I have combination skin. It's dry and oily. And the way my makeup is sitting on my skin right now, I'm absolutely loving it. So, before we get into the tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you're notified every single time whenever I upload a new video. So, let's get into the tutorial. Struggle is real, hey? So I am going to be moisturizing my face first. So before that, I have already prepped my face. I have cleansed and exfoliated my face. So then I'm going to go in with the Olay Total Effects 7-in-1 Anti-Aging Moisturizer with Sunscreen. It has SPF 30 in it. It is so important to actually use a moisturizer which has SPF in it, is because it helps your skin in so many ways. It avoids getting wrinkles faster. It just protects your skin from the UV rays. Next, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. I had never used e.l.f. cosmetics before. However, I saw one of my friends' makeup and I complimented it. It looked super flawless. Her skin looked so glowy and healthy. So I did ask her what kind of base she was using, and she mentioned e.l.f. So I went and I purchased it to give it a shot. Guys, if you are looking for something which is really affordable and does the job, actually does more than its job, go and invest in one of these and I'm pretty sure you won't regret it. Next, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer in the shade Medium Sand to prime my eyelids, and I'm going to gently dab it all around my eyelids and over my eyebrows. The concealer is really rich, so if you are trying to prime your eyes with it, make sure you apply only a little bit. And I'm so shocked, where have I had been living? Guys, if you haven't given e.l.f. a shot, definitely buy it, try it, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it. It's really affordable and the quality is really high-end. For my eyebrows today, I'm using the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil in the shade Deep Brown. I usually like more of a flat, slanted tip for any of the eyebrow pencils. However, this one had a sharp tip, but I still managed to do my eyebrows and used a spoolie to even it out, and it looks great. Like, I think it's just a matter of me getting used to it, but so far it looks pretty nice. Eyeshadow today, I'm going to use the Jacklyn Hill #1 palette, and the base shade which I'm choosing from this gorgeous palette is called Buns. And the other shade which I'm going to contrast with is called Abby's. Abby's is actually our black shade. So today I'm not going to use an eyeliner. Instead, I'm going to show you guys how you can use a black eyeshadow. Use an angle brush to outline your upper lash line. After applying the a black eyeshadow on the upper lash line, I'm going to be using a flat brush and I'm just going to gently smudge it up so it can give it a smoky look. Then I'm going to use the same brush, just add a little bit of eyeshadow, the same black eyeshadow on the tip of the brush, and I'm going to drag it upwards around my crease area and make that nice curve on your eyelids so it looks like more of like a Ariana Grande look, but it's in a very deeper shade. With the same flat brush, I'm going to use the liquid glitter shadow from e.l.f. and the shade is called Flirty Birdie, and I'm going to just dab it on top of my eyelids. I've been seeing a lot of beauty gurus making YouTube tutorials on this particular glitter, and I've been trying to find it, however I couldn't get my hands on it. So finally, when I saw this was available, I had to get it. And guys, I could compare this to Urban Decay glitter liners. Finally, this is my favorite part. These days I'm loving putting on foundation and playing around with my makeup base. So today I'm going to be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation, and it's in the shade Neutral Tan. And of course, gently dab it on your face with a beauty blender. Start it on the middle of your face and gently dab it, drag it towards the circumference of your face, and make sure you're not putting a lot on your circumference of your face, because you want to make sure that you want to get a more of a neutral color and your skin tone looks natural rather than cakey. Next, I'm going to go in with the same concealer, e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer in the shade Medium Sand, and I'm going to apply it on the higher points of my face. It looks really flawless. I had not had any trouble putting on any kind of makeup on, especially like the concealer. It's really hydrating, and if you're somebody with really dry skin, I would definitely recommend the e.l.f. Hydrating products. Going to use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder. I'm going to use my foundation brush, dab the foundation brush on the product, take some product and only apply it around the areas where I have already applied my concealer. So this is to avoid any kind of creasing and to ensure that the concealer is set in place and doesn't move. Then I'm going in with this gorgeous Iconic London palette. It has a lot of bronzer and blush shades in it. I received this palette in one of my Boxy charm boxes, and I'm absolutely enjoying this palette. So I'm going to grab the darker brown shade and I'm going to apply it on top of my cheekbones and around my forehead area, my jawline. I'm going to contour my face with it, and I'm also going to grab some blush shades, the lighter pink shade, and I'm going to apply it on top of my cheekbones. So guys, the new trend is not to apply it in the hollows of your cheeks, but on top of your cheekbones, so you can get that lifted look without even getting a facelift. Amazing, hey? Next, instead of brushing off the powder, I'm going to take a damp beauty blender and I'm going to dab the powder into the skin so the concealer which we already applied sets properly. Going back to this gorgeous palette, the Jacklyn palette, I'm going to use the dark black shade eyeshadow. I'm going to grab it in the same flat brush and I'm going to brush it right in the lower lash line so that it gives it a smoky look. It looks so stunning. I did not even use a black eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, pencil eyeliner or whatsoever. I only used black eyeshadow and an angled brush to apply the shades on my eyelids, and it totally is giving that smoky effect look. For highlighter, I'm gonna go in with the NYX Professional High Glass Illuminating Powder in the shade Moon Glow. Even though it says powder, but it has more of a creamy texture. So I'm just going to apply it on top of my cheekbones, my nose area, on my cupid's bone, my chin area, and all the high points of my face. How many of you have used the lip plumping gloss? So I'm trying this e.l.f. lip plumping gloss for the first time. At first it kind of like gave me a tingly feeling. I was kind of scared, but then it ended up looking absolutely stunning. I really liked the way the whole look turned out. To finish the look, I'm going to use the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. And thank you so much guys for watching this with me till the very end. If you like the content I create, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you're notified every single time whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching.